Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever accidentally deleted a crucial file in SharePoint and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through the process of recovering those files step by step. This tutorial is tailored for 2025, covering the latest features to make it even easier. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, you'll be back up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site with the appropriate permissions. If you're an admin or have site owner rights, you're good to go. Start by navigating to the specific site or library where the file was deleted. Look for the Recycle Bin icon, usually in the top right corner or under the Site Contents menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of recently deleted items. Once you're in the recycle bin, browse through the files to find what you need. You can use the search bar to quickly locate your file by name or type. When you spot it, select the file and hit the Restore button. It's that simple. The file will be moved back to its original location. But what if the file isn't there? SharePoint has a second stage recycle bin for items that have been deleted from the first one. To access this, go to the Site Settings or Admin Center, depending on your version. Look for Deleted Items or Recycle Bin under the Site Administration options. Select the file again and restore it. Remember, files in the second stage bin might be set to permanent deletion after a certain period, so act fast. A few pro tips to avoid future headaches. Always double-check before deleting files, and consider setting up version history or using OneDrive for backups. If you're dealing with a large organization, reach out to your IT admin for help with retention policies. There you have it. Recovering deleted files from SharePoint doesn't have to be a nightmare. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.